Hello, fellow entrepreneurs. Wanted to show you a quick demo on the TheClayCode actually working in your business. First of all, you do have an option to use the TheClayCode or white label the TheClayCode and use your own system with your own branding. So that is something that we do have optional. You can speak with the person that is telling you about our system to go over details on that. We have our first white label system that I'll show you what that looks like. So this is a screenshot of the back office of the TheClayCode, but let me show you what a white label would look like. So this is what a white label process would look like for your company if you decide to have a white label. So this is Nui Connect. So this is their full system. It works the same way. Your entire programming, autoresponders, voicemails, emails are all tailored to your business, obviously. Okay, so I'm going to jump in and show you how the system works, and let's get started. Okay, there are three ways that the system works with autoresponders, which means it auto-responds. You don't have to talk to it every single day, or basically you put in the information once and it does everything for you, which will be Voice Drop. Voice Drop is a system that actually puts a voicemail on your customers, prospects, friends, family, whoever you like to use in the system on their voicemail. How that works is simply the phone will ring for half of a second and it will go straight to voicemail. Then the person will have a voicemail with your voice on it. Then obviously you know how text messaging works, which I think is the best way to reach people and get them to make your offer or join your company or become one of your customers. And then of course email, which is not my favorite, but you can send information for people to get information based on something that you're trying to get them to do. But I think your text messaging will be number one, voicemail, and then email. So those are the three ways we're going to do this. And you will notice in each section you'll have a template at the very bottom. You have autoresponders, which means everything is automatically being done. You can set your templates up. Same thing with SMS, which is texting. You have your autoresponders and you have your templates. Same thing with email, you have your autoresponders and you have your templates. Within our system though, we have something very special, and this is what sets this apart from anything you've probably seen before. It's called an SMS campaign conversational. And that's the first demo I'd like to do with you. I'd like to show you how that works, because this is what makes all the difference in the world with your business. So an SMS conversational works very simple. You have an 800 number, and this number is tied to anything you like to put out there. For example, I'm going to show you a Facebook post that it's kind of a funny post. It says, "Let's keep it real. Which one would you like to be at age 70? So do you want to be working separately, or would you like to be retired in your backyard having a cigar and champagne?" And the person literally can click on the link. And when they click on the link, it will take them to a place to enter information. And once they enter that information, it goes into the system. So I want to show you how that works. If I click on this, in fact, we're designing that right now. This is a feature that you'll have to do on your own. You can actually put it in a landing page or make it a better looking page for yourself. But once you click on it, it takes you to a page in your system that will say something like anything you want it to be. And once a person puts in their first name and last name, that's when I'm going to show you how the system actually works. So that's the portion I want you to see. We'll discuss how that works with what type of page you want to put in. So basically it tells the person to put in the word. In this particular case, we're going to use 10x. 10x is the keyword. That is the subscriber word that subscribes you in, gets everything working. And I would like to do that live right now so you can see how it works. This is the most powerful part of our system. Okay, so I'm going to put you on pause for a second and show you how it runs, and then we're going to go from there. 1 second. Okay, so I'm back. So basically what I did is I entered in my name and my phone number. And if you notice, right in the top portion of your screen, you'll see a 5 under your text messaging. So if you click on the 5, you will see that this person by the name of Test entered 10x into the system, and you have had a conversation with them. Now, you actually didn't have a conversation with them, but it shows that you had a conversation with them. So they put in 10x, it says excellent, please confirm your first name, it puts in the name, and then it identifies them by name, and you have the conversation with whatever you would like to say to the person. Now, the beautiful part about this, at the end of it, it gives them an option which it gave me an option on my phone to click on the schedule, because it asked to schedule an appointment for more information for sign up. And if I click on that schedule, the schedule will now take me to a place where I can actually put in my information. Let me show you what that looks like briefly. It puts in my information so I can set up, one second. Okay, so it puts me on the schedule, which you've already pre-done. You can prelim your times when you would like to do it. This is very, very simple to use. The person clicks on the time they would like to meet with you, they hit submit, and they will put in the information. It sends them a text message, sends you a text message, gives you a reminder, and that's how you set up your account for messaging and for setting up your appointment. So it's pretty simple. So that's your SMS scenario and how that works. Okay, let me go on to the next one. So now you'll notice once I go into the record of the person, you have several options you can do at this time. And this is where the rubber meets the road. This is where you go to the next level. So you will notice that the person will be put into the meet and greet campaign. This is automatic because they typed the word 10x. And because of that, now they will receive all autoresponders, all text messaging, all emails that attach to the meet and greet person. So if you have a meet and greet system is already set up, basically the person will hit the you'll hit the plus button and you'll see all the different pre-set up systems that you've set up in your business to contact. So this is where you don't have to spend the time building your business. The business happens for you based on a pre-set up text messaging, voicemail. Here they'll be hearing your voice or your manager's voice or whoever you like to do, and an email, and the system continues running. And that's the best way to continue building a relationship with your clientele. So that's how simple this works. It is very, very simple. You can now reach out to all the different customers and different groups that you have in your group section by sending them one text message, one voicemail, one email, but you know the system's always working for you. So you can send out specials, you can send out new information, but again, the system's always working for you. So that's the 3 ways we do the system. So the key would be is to send out a text message to the group. You have your emails automatically going out, you have your social media automatically going out, and that's how you build your business. Okay, thank you guys very much. Take care.